Hey, my name is Shane Sullivan. I am a sales representative here at Silver Sport Transmissions. Just wanted to kind of put a face to the name. A lot of times you send in a quote request and you just get a quote back, but there's more to it than just that. We are car guys ourselves, just like you, and you'll see a few of my cars here. Right behind me here is my great-grandfather's 1964 Ford Falcon. It was bought new in Alcoa about 10 minutes from us in 1964. It was in my family most of my childhood. And then about 17 years ago, my family sold it. And years went by, about 15 years after that, I was able to find it on Craigslist and bought it back. This is actually the car we developed our TKX Falcon swap kit off of. This car here is my 1991 Nissan Skyline. This one actually has one of our Magnum F swap kits in it, still running the original RB20. A little dirty right now, in the middle of doing a cam swap on it and replacing a broken differential. Behind me here is my 1994 Mazda Miata. It's got a full 2004 Mazda Speed drivetrain swap. It's a factory turbo motor, but it's got a full flying Miata turbo kit on it, and a bunch of other goodies from those guys as well. I actually built this car for a friend of my dad's over the course of about 13 years, and a couple years ago he was moving and called me and asked me if I wanted the car, and how can you not say yes to that? So the way each kit is catered to your car is you call in, we ask you a series of questions to make sure we get the exact package you need. You know, what engine you've got, what rear end you've got, how much power the car makes. And that way we make sure that the package you get is going to be right for your application. So give us a call or shoot us an email. That way we can put together a package for your vehicle catered to your needs. Look forward to hearing from you soon.